I just created the most shiniest glitter Air Force Ones on the market. But I'm going to show you how you can create your own pair too. So you can follow along or you could just watch and enjoy. Thanks. So I'm leaving out of Hobby Lobby. Today, I got a special project for y'all. Got some homecoming shoes, or actually prom shoes coming up. And I'm about to show you guys how to make some glitter Air Force Ones. So stay tuned. I just got my products that I need. I just needed a little bit of sealer, but I just got that. And it's all gravy now. Let's get it. Also, t-shirts is about to be on the site soon, you know, ready for pre-orders. But let's get this started. So for the purpose of the video, you're only gonna see me working on this shoe because it's gonna be pointless of working on this shoe, then right back to this shoe. I'm gonna be doing the same exact thing that I do this shoe to this shoe. So first we're gonna start off with drilling these holes with my drill right here. Now I'm acetoning the shoes just to make sure that they're prepped up so we can have a good adhesion. Now that the shoe is all taped off, we're gonna use our flat bristle brush and some of this Mod Podge. I like to use the gloss luster. Then we're gonna apply it in sections. And then after that, we're gonna pour the glitter straight on and it's gonna just come on there magically. So that's the first coat. I let it dry for about 15-20 minutes outside. And now my Mod Podge is already pretty thin, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it again on top of here and do the same thing that we did the first time. So now you see me adding Mod Podge, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of water too, just to make it a little bit more runny. And then I'm gonna mix some of the glitter, same color glitter, just so it can have that extra shine when it sits in for this protective coat. So I forgot that I was totally recording a video for YouTube, but I just basically did the laces that I'm going to do these with the rope laces. I'm going to show you all the type of string I normally get. This right here, Cons Cotton Craft Cord, dyeable fabric because it has an off-white color to it, but this is the type, if you ever want to get your shoelaces any color, use this one. 6mm outsole. But what I normally do is to get my measurement length, I take the shoelace that was originally in the shoe and I make it probably like 2 to 3 inches longer than the original shoelace. Then I'll wrap it with some masking tape and always do it where it has this part so you can actually put it through the hole and then pull through. You're gonna see it right here. All right, so now that we got them all laced up, I'm gonna take my scissors, snip this right here, like so. Boom. Gonna take this, snip it the same length. Got a little glitter on it from laying down on it, so I should have never had it there, but it's all good. Boom, straight like that. So we're taking some of this Mod Podge. Gonna brush it around, like so, on the whole edges. If you want, you can even go up onto this part or just dip the whole tip in to the Mod Podge and then pour the glitter. That'd be a dope effect as well. But actually, I might just do that. So I was just gonna brush this tip, but actually I want to make it where the glitter even comes up onto the actual fabric of it. So take some of my Mod Podge from earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in. Like so. Brush off the excess. I'm just gonna pour it on there. Once again, I'll show y'all how I do it. I'm gonna take this whole tip of it right there. I'm gonna dip it all the way in so it can even get down to the cotton. Just like that. Shake off the excess. Brush off the excess. The glitter. Man, I ain't gonna lie. This is fire. Going all the way up to that tip like that just made it 10 times better. Jeez. So we are all done with the shoes. They came out amazing. Look at that. So the only thing left is to take off the tape off the bottom. And what I used to seal up the shoes was some Krylon sealer. Make sure you get the clear. And then also some of this Mod Podge. And I basically thinned it down with some water and then added some more of the glitter that I used, same color. And I'm telling you, this was a good project. And I'm definitely gonna do way more glitter shoes, so stay tuned. But just like, this is my favorite part with detail, right here. This right here. Like, just look at that, it's just so beautiful. Jeez. Let me go take this tape off right now.